mourning season may have come to an end, but the love of Imam Hussein alayhi salam remains eternal. Imam Hussein Tours presents an unmissable Ziyarah trip. Join us this December and embark on a journey of faith and discovery. Experience the transformative power of visiting the holy shrines in Iraq, where every step taken connects you to centuries of profound history and spirituality. From the shrine of Amir al-Mu'mineen alayhi salam in Najaf to Sayyid al-Shuhada in Karbala to the holy shrines of Kadhimiyyah and Samarra, where the whispers of history will resonate with you. Also experience the transformation that comes from giving back as we visit orphanages and charities where your presence becomes a beacon of hope to those in need. Our informative sessions will deepen your knowledge and understanding of the religious and historical context, accompanied by emotional recitations which will enrich your journey. Open your heart to a spiritual awakening as you connect with fellow believers, forging bonds that will last a lifetime. Don't miss this chance to be part of an unforgettable trip to Iraq's holy shrines. Join myself, Minhal al-Khafaji, Sayyid Muhammad Hassan al-Shara, Sheikh Muhammad Baqir Najaf, Sayyid Muhsin Shah, Mullah Muhammad Baqir Gori, Mullah Muhammad al-Silawi, and Brother Abu Talib Muhammad, and embark on this memorable journey with us this December. Imam Hussain Tours, your transit to the Ark of Salvation.
She doesn't tell auntie she's sad. She's messing around.